about those fireworks tonight. Those were something.
Those were awesome tonight. They were a lot better tonight than they were last night. I thought, anyway. They just had more, I don't know what it was, but there was more color to them, and they were just totally awesome.
Yeah. What did you think of the fireworks?
I tell you, those fireworks are so bright. I got burned. I got color burns, and you can see on my feet here too. I was standing outside. I was.
Let's get another person's perspective on the fireworks tonight. What did you think?
10 out of 10.
When's the last time you seen a fireworks show like that?
I remember distinctly when I was in Washington during the Trump inauguration, the fireworks there was totally awesome. They were just awesome. They were better than the Obama administration. Of course, there was twice as many people there too, and that helped.